Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is the Friday before Christmas. It's about 40 degrees, kind of overcast. I think a white Christmas this year is off the table for us. There is some snow down at the cabin, but I won't make it down there until maybe a day or two after Christmas. But right now, I'm headed to the stone yard. Now, a lot of people have been asking about the stone total for 2023. I will provide that probably first week of January. I've been keeping track of everything, but right now I need to get a load of stone for the road going down to the wood yard because it's starting to get kind of sloppy. It won't freeze up, and if you have one muddy spot, you drag it everywhere, and you know how much I don't like mud. Got 4 tons of stone and 2 boxes of candy. That's a win-win right there. So I just pulled into the house and somehow Melissa smelled chocolate. She already came out and got the candy.
I just could feel it.
You look pretty festive with your
la 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 la
sweater on there.
I know.
You ready for Christmas?
Almost.
We are.
I'm always ready.
We are pretty much, huh?
I'm not always ready. Yeah, because you know what? It's Christmas.
Yeah. Hannah and Tyler and Bo will be in soon. Well, tomorrow, right?
That'll be so exciting. He's 1 month old already. Yeah. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Grandson Bo. Yeah, I think I'm ready. Are you ready, Mike?
I'm as ready as I get.
Yeah. You're gonna love the gift I got you.
Same for you.
Yeah.
It's gonna be.
I can't wait.
It's gonna be something.
It is. It's probably the same thing I got you, huh?
Yeah. That is what you call stone stretching right there. I just put a thin little layer right here just to try to help stay out of the mud some. But this has been a very productive morning. It is, what time is it? 12:07 right now. Got about 4 tons of stone this morning, a couple boxes of chocolate. Moved those firewood baskets out of the way. Parked the dump trailer over here because I don't think I'm going to be using it for a while. Levi and I split probably close to 2 cords of firewood with the Wolfe Ridge and the new conveyor. It's nice stuff right here. And I also split some bundle firewood on the split force splitter. So like I said, it is the Friday before Christmas. It's going to be 2024 before you know it. And lately, I've been trying to get a read on just trying to figure out what 2024 is going to look like. And I tell you what, I have no idea. But I will say this. In my opinion, it's going to be a wild year. And when I say a wild year, I don't mean like, you know, that trip to the amusement park was wild. I think it's going to be crazy. I do. And I don't know what's going to happen, whether it's going to be good or bad. I just don't know. And I'm trying to plan. And keep in mind, I really don't care either way. I have learned to do my best. It's not always possible, but do my best to only worry about what I can control. And, but I try to plan, and, you know, we have some things in the works that we're thinking about doing. And I'm just debating on whether you kind of pump the brakes or step on the throttle. I don't know what to do. What do you guys think 2024 is going to look like? You can't believe anything that you see or read in the media. And I don't care. It's going to upset some people. It is what it is. It's just, it's all nonsense. You know what I mean? But I see things slowing down around here, like with interest rates the way they are. This has been a crazy area for years where I live right here. I mean, the developments over the years just south of here, for a while there, I think it was one of the fastest growing areas in the country. And the reason is we're north of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh is in Allegheny County, and their property tax is through the roof. Ours is pretty high as well. However, it's a lot cheaper than Allegheny County, so it's pretty simple. Everybody builds their house in the next county up where property taxes are lower. And it's been that way for years, and there's still building going on, but all that stuff has kind of been in the works for a while. And I just don't know what 2024 is going to bring. I don't. I have no idea. I hate to even make a prediction. You know, you got a presidential election that is just a disaster at this point. Interest rates are up. They say, if you listen to the media, you know, the economy's booming, everything's great. I don't see it, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Like I said, whether I pump the brakes or step on the gas, but let me know what it's like in your area. I really like when you do that, because I'm just kind of in my own little world here, and I don't know what's happening all across the country. But yeah, 2024, it's going to be a wild one. I can just feel it in my bones. I really can. Man, I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right, we're up here in the game room, but boy, is it nice and cozy in here. It's not real cold out. It's like 40. So anyway, Melissa just had to run out for a bit for a few last minute things for Christmas. I think primarily groceries. I think we're done with all the gifts, hopefully. So with that being said, I think the Hunt Man and I might make a sheets run here shortly, and then I may take it easy this afternoon. Just kind of relax. I do need to shoot my flinch lock a little bit. I'd like to get good with one of those. I would, because I am not. I mean, I'm okay, but some guys are really good with them. And to answer some of your questions, muzzleloader season here in Pennsylvania, they do have, I believe, a inline season early on. It's just like a day or two. But we do the flintlock, like with a traditional flintlock muzzleloader, and that lasts like a month. It starts the day after Christmas, and I think it's almost a month long, if not a month long. But that's a lot of fun, and but I need to practice more with that. I do. That's a good time. Hopefully we'll get some snow. Looking at the long-term forecast, it looks like right at the first of the year, things are going to finally kind of get cold and stay cold. Nothing brutal, but I saw, like, you know, highs of 33, 34 degrees, lows in the teens, which that's good snow temperature right there. You can get a storm with those kind of temperatures. So we'll see what happens. But back to the 2024 thing, like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys think next year will bring and how things are in your area. I'm very curious. But I think that's about it for today's video. Appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.
Come on, Arch.
Where are you and Archie going?
Starbucks to get a pup cup.
Get a pup cut.
Oh boy.
Pup cup.
Oh boy, this is awkward.
So Axel's not allowed to go, because tell him what happened when Axel goes.
Last time he threw up in my car.
Yeah, he did.
Archie's really awkward in the car. He doesn't know how to sit.
Watch his tail.
Just sit. There you go. Yep, there you go.
All right. So Eva, you published a video last week, right?
I did. It was a workout video.
All right, I'll put a link to it. They can check that out. And
Go
you'll
check
have
that out.
another one next week.
Yep.
All right, well, good luck. See you, Arch.
He's scared. Are you ready?
See you, Archie. Be good.